What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme C75X cannot receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find here messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. After clicking on storage usage, then here you can clear the cache memory of your messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.